Are you unknowingly sabotaging your health with one common habit? Here's how to change that today. Girls today face an overwhelming amount of pressure balancing school, work, friendships, and everything in between. It's easy to overlook the importance of self-care and healthy habits amidst the daily hustle. However, neglecting your health now can have lasting effects later. What if there were simple, effective ways to feel your best every day without adding more stress to your already busy life? Here are essential health tips for girls that will help you feel balanced, energized, and ready to tackle everything life throws at you. These are practical changes you can start implementing right now for a healthier, more balanced life. 1. Prioritize sleep. Did you know that skipping sleep can affect everything from your mood to your metabolism? Sleep is the body's natural reset button, especially for girls who are constantly on the go. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night to improve memory, concentration, and energy levels. Set a sleep schedule and stick to it. Your body will thank you. 2. Eat balanced, nutrient-rich meals. The secret to feeling good all day. Balanced nutrition. Skip the fad diets and focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. Fill your plate with lean proteins, healthy fats, whole grains, and plenty of colorful fruits and vegetables. These foods fuel your body, help maintain energy, and support healthy skin and hair. And don't forget to hydrate. Drinking enough water is key to staying energized and preventing fatigue. 3. Stay active in a way you enjoy. Exercise doesn't have to be a chore. Whether it's dancing, running, yoga, or playing a sport, find an activity that excites you and stick with it. Regular movement is vital for maintaining a healthy body, improving mental health, and boosting mood. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity most days of the week. 4. Nurture your mental health. Mental health is just as important as physical health, but it's often overlooked. Practice mindfulness, deep breathing, or meditation to reduce stress and boost emotional well-being. Journaling about your day or feelings can also help you process and reflect. And always remember, talk to someone if you need help, whether it's a friend, family member, or counselor. 5. Set healthy boundaries. Being constantly on can lead to burnout. Learn how to say no and set boundaries, whether it's with school, work, or social commitments. Saying no allows you to protect your energy and focus on what matters most. Protect your time for self-care and make sure to schedule some downtime each week.